We are now going to add DHCP server. So when we say DHCP, it stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It allows server to assign IP addresses to computers and other devices that are enabled as DHCP client. The first step is to click on Add Roles. Here, we are just going to click on Next button. Then, let us click DHCP Server. Then, let us click on Next button. In this screen, we are just going to click on Next. Here, we can see the IP address that we allotted to our server, which is 192.168.1.2. Let us click on Next button. In this screen, we are going to change this preferred DNS server IPv4 address into server's IP address. So let us erase. Then let us click on Validate. After clicking Validate, you need to see this word valid. It indicates that the IP address that we used is correct. And then click on Next. Here, we are just going to click Next again. So in this screen, there is DHCP Scopes, meaning when we say Scopes, we are just going to enter the IP addresses for the clients that will be connected to our server. So how? Let us click Add. For the scope name, let us use CSS Scope. And then, for starting IP address, we are going to use 192.168.1.3. Why we use number 3? Because number 1 is allotted for our router, while number 2 is allotted for our server computer. For our ending IP address, let's say in our server client network, we are going to connect 20 computers. So meaning, our ending IP address is 23. After that, let us click OK button. And that's it. This is our IP address range, starting at number 3 and ending at number 23. Then, let us click on Next button. Here, in DHCP version 6 stateless mode, we are not going to change anything here. Just click Next button. For this IPv6 DNS settings, we are not going to change here also. Just click Next button. For DHCP server authorization, we use current credentials and then click Next. Let us confirm this installation process. Let us click on Install button and let us wait. Our installation is succeeded. This time, let us click Close. Now, we already have 3 roles and our DHCP server is already added.